My Harvard Extension School journey starts off, I'm sitting in my bedroom in Tampa trying to figure out how can I find a way to grow. I was looking for an opportunity to prove that I had the chops to belong. And I saw Harvard Extension School as that bridge. I came in here guessing that I belonged, and I left knowing that I belonged. My name is Christian Williams, and I'm a graduate of Harvard Extension School. The Harvard education taught me how to build my consulting business into a software business that could scale using venture. And my time at the iLab specifically gave me that confidence to know, like, okay, I have people who can help me through this new process. I'm not in over my skis. I have a lot of expert experience there for me. And I think that's where it took me. Being a part of the Harvard network was a major selling point in getting me my JPMorgan opportunity. They needed somebody who had firsthand experience with founders. And because of my work in the iLab, not just building my company, but stepping in as a CFO for other founders or just doing sessions with folks in my space, that made them interested in me. The most valuable asset I have at my job is my network. And my network came from Harvard, and so that made it very easy to hire me. I see a world full of problems that have very simple and obvious solutions. And I've spent the first half of my life waiting for someone to come in and solve it. And I realized that the problem sets that I'm most passionate about are for a population that people typically don't do a lot of work for. And I want to make sure that as I'm sort of working through how to solve problems for people, that I have the right tools, that I'm not using a sledgehammer when a scalpel could be a much better instrument. And so I see myself as continuing to learn and to grow and to dive deeper into a smaller and smaller segment until I can come out with real solutions that matter.